how's it going YouTube? I'm Landon. Have you guys ever wondered what is the deadliest animals around the world? Well, I've constructed a list for you. So let me ask you this, what do you think is the deadliest animal ever? And what top 10 do you want to see next? So getting right into it, this right here is the top 10 deadliest animals around the world. And at the number 10 spot, Hollywood has made movies about this animal, and it's for a very good reason. I'm talking about piranhas. They are the deadly fish of the sea with huge sharp teeth that bite through flesh. There is known to be a red-bellied piranha that can tear to pieces a human body in a matter of seconds. They are found in freshwater in South American rivers. There has been many reports of people being injured and even killed by piranhas. What makes them so deadly is that they travel in packs, and they work together to take down their prey with their powerful jaws. They will go after almost anything. Moving on to Siafu ants. This comes in at number 9. These ants are also known as driver ants. They come in swarms of up to 50 million, and they all react as if they're a single entity. Even if one ant is in danger, they're all gonna swarm and attack. Just imagine 50 million ants just coming after you. So they attack their prey by clamping their jaws into flesh, and they do not let go. Even if you tear them in half, their jaws are still clamped. So they're found primarily in Central East Africa. What's more scarier than ants? We're talking about the Komodo Dragon. So this comes in at number... They are also known as Komodo monitor. They are known to be one of the largest lizards found commonly in Indonesia. They get up to 3 meters long, weighing 150 pounds. And these guys, they're not picky eaters. They will eat anything. They go after things like birds to buffaloes and even you guys, humans. And these guys have been known to dig up graves that are very shallow and eat human body. They are prodigy hunters, which means they are remarkable and very impressive about how they take down their prey. So the Komodo Dragon, they like to go after the enemy's throats and then they run away and watch from a safe distance the animal, the beast, just bleeding out. They wait until they die and then they feast. So these guys were first discovered by scientists in 1910. Now we have at number 7, the hippopotamus. Yes, these animals are dangerous. So all of you who go to the zoo and are like, oh my god, look at that cute hippopotamus over there, it's just so adorable. No, they're not. Stay away from them, they'll eat you. They are highly aggressive and are widely regarded as one of the most dangerous animals in Africa. They are known to attack humans without provoking it. Hippopotamus is the ancient Greek word for river horse. After elephants and rhinoceros, they are the 3rd largest mammals. Hippopotamus has been around for a very long time. The very earliest hippopotamus fossils were found in Africa, which dates back more than 16 million years ago. And their lifespan is around 40 to 50 years old. There was one hippo that actually lived to 61. It passed away in 1995 in Munich, Germany. The saltwater crocodile comes in at number 6. They sit on top of its food chain. The saltwater crocodile has been known to eat everything that comes in its path. So animals like buffaloes to shark and even humans. So if you guys see one, quickly start running the other way. In order to kill its prey, it uses the technique called the death roll, which means it opens its mouth wide, clamps onto the animal, and it starts flipping itself upside down over and over again until the animal drowns in the water. And yes, sharks can drown in water. If you rush too much water inside of its gills at once, it can drown. Saltwater crocodile is the largest of all living reptiles. The male can grow up to 22 feet and weigh over 4,000 pounds. They are mostly on the eastern coast of India and throughout Southeast Asia. This guy right here is the 5th most dangerous animal of all time. So this guy right here is the world's largest land animal. Elephants can be fiercely aggressive. They have been known to kill people and also known to be extremely intelligent. Their brains are actually the largest brain of any land animal. They have a very large and highly convoluted neural cortex, a trait that they share with apes, humans, and some dolphins. African elephants are known to kill about 500 people every year, and these attacks are becoming more increasingly common. Taking over the 4th spot, we have the black mamba. Whoa. These are a very venomous snake found in Africa. They are the 2nd largest venomous snake in the world after the king cobra. What makes the black mamba so dangerous is that they're the fastest snake in the world. So you better be a fast runner. The venom of the black mamba is highly toxic. It is capable of killing an adult human in 20 minutes. And this is why they're the most feared. When the black mamba attacks larger prey, they bite it and release their venom, and then they let go and just follow their prey until they're weak and slowly die. The prey's muscles become paralyzed. They're commonly known to attack bats and chickens. Almost at number 1, but coming in at number 3, I'm talking about the blue-ringed octopus. They're about the size of golf balls. But don't let its compact size deceive you. It holds enough venom to kill 26 adults. And there is no known antidote. If someone gets stung by a venom, you better know CPR. Because within minutes, they're going to become completely paralyzed and unable to breathe. The blue-ringed octopus shows no mercy. They can be found in tide pools and coral reefs in the Pacific and Indian Ocean. And I'm talking about from Japan to Australia. They are known to be the world's most dangerous marine animal. They hunt small crabs, hermit crabs, and shrimp. And they will go after any human if provoked. So don't do it. Now at the number 2 spot, can you guys guess it? Well, we're talking about mosquitoes. Yes. Those tiny, tiny little guys, but there's so many of them. They're one of the world's smallest animals, but one of the most deadliest. And that's because they transmit disease to almost 700 million people, and we're talking about annually. And this is resulting in 2 to 3 million deaths a year. And did you guys know that it's only the female mosquitoes that bite? So imagine if the males bite as well. These numbers double. So that's 4 to 6 million deaths a year. Is this real life right now? And they can also transmit yellow fever. If you guys remember me talking about the top 10 most deadliest diseases last week, I talked about how brutal yellow fever is. Yellow fever affects about 1 billion people. There's 200,000 new cases every single year, resulting in about 30,000 people to die. Lastly, this brings me to the number 1 spot. It may come as a shock, it may not, but I'm talking about us and you. Humans. Man is known to be the deadliest animal of all time. And I know what you guys are thinking.
Oh my God, Landon, humans are not animals.
Are you kidding me? Humans are at the top, the very top. I don't think anything hunts us. I guess other than the top 10 deadliest animals if you provoke them. But we don't actually exist as the primary source of food on any animal's food chain. And that's because we outsmart them. If humans weren't intelligent, we'd probably be eaten by a lot of things. We are classified as the most intelligent mammals of the animal kingdom. And we sit on top of our food chain and pretty much every other food chain. Man has caused a lot of human deaths. So over a period of 1,000 years, we have killed each other like millions of times. Let me go over a few things. There has been many wars. The most deadliest war is the Russian Civil War. This was caused by the Russian Revolution in 1917. And that war, of course, lasted for 5 years. Caused 9 million people to die. Another war was the Chinese Civil War that lasted 22 years and that killed 8 million people. And this doesn't account for man being responsible for mass murders, shooting, bombings, other methods that we kill each other, which is so brutal. But there you have it. That was the top 10 most deadliest animals around the world. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in next week's video. So did you guys enjoy this video? What animal didn't make the list that you thought, oh my god, it should have been there? And don't forget to let me know what top 10 you guys want to see next. If you guys want to watch more videos right now, look over to your right. There's 2 videos that I did last week and the week before that, just waiting for you guys to click on. They're very educational and I'm trying to teach you guys on this channel. So I just want to say thank you so much for watching this video. And again, I can't wait to see you guys subscribed and back here for another video.